This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Terri Ardines. Step inside this Northwest Gainesville home in Palmetto Woods. The house has a spacious backyard boasting over 1/4 acres, a recently installed wood fence, energy-efficient insulated windows, installed 2014, throughout, a solar, 2021, system, and new air conditioner replaced approximately 1 year ago, gas water heater. The home was conveniently located near downtown Gainesville, just a short drive, 4.3 miles, from the University of Florida, UF Shands, groceries, and Gainesville Airport. House was freshly painted inside and out, providing a ready-to-move-in opportunity. For more information, review the details below.